Hey guys, this is Chetan for Gizmo Times and you're watching a quick unboxing and hands-on with the Realme Buds Q2 Neo. And these are the budget earbuds from Realme in the Q series. Q series was basically the budget series with some unique design structures. The first one came with that pebble design, and this one, even though has a similar kind of a casing, this time the design on the earbuds itself is going to be kind of different. What they call it is a kaleidoscope like design, which actually looks unique. There are two color options on this one. There's one blue and black. The one that we got is black, but the blue one also looks very unique and different because of that earbuds covering design. So now these are the major specs. Let's talk about them. This comes with a 10 millimeter driver. That's the bass boost driver, which comes with that bass boost plus technology, and along with that you have a 20 hour of long lasting battery, which actually means that you're going to get 5 hours of music playback on the earbuds and then 3 extra charges from the case. So in total you have a 20 hour of playback, music playback. But if you are talking about only calls, then it would be around 3 hours of calls rather than 5 hours of music in that comparison. Now apart from that, you have the faster charging where you have 10 minutes charging, enough for 120 minutes of playback. That's 2 hours of playback from 10 minutes of charging, but then it would rather get slower later, and that's when you would see it charging completely in 2 hours from 0 to 100 for that case. For the earbuds, it would charge in around 2.5 hours inside the case. And the other features or the modes that are present, one includes the super latency, low latency mode, which is the gaming mode that actually brings down the latency or the transfer in about 88 milliseconds. So this is good for gamers who are into FPS games. There's also instant connection thanks to the Bluetooth 5.0, and there's ENC for calls. There's no active noise cancellation. Obviously you can't expect it under 2000 rupees. This is 1599 to be precise, and at that price it's only having environmental noise cancellation for calls. I mean, that is when you're talking on the phone using these earbuds, and then the person on the other side is not going to see a lot of disturbance coming in. That is because of the ENC. Now inside the box package you're gonna get these things. That's firstly 2 extra pairs of ear tips. One is inside the case itself with the earbuds, and you have the micro USB cable here, which indicates that this earbuds is going to have a case with the micro USB port. And apart from that, you have this quick start guide or the user guide that would let users know about how to actually start pairing them. To pair them, you need to open up the charging case and keep both earbuds in the case and press touch areas on earbuds for more than 3 seconds. Then it would actually start detecting and connect to the smartphone. Now this is the case for the Realme Buds Q2 Neo. Now let's pull that out and see how it looks like. So this is the case. It would be not really different from the Realme Buds Q, the first one, or Realme Buds Q2 as well in that case, but this is the Neo, and Neo actually is into the more budget range, and this comes with the micro USB port towards the back, and then you have a LED indicator as well on the front of it. As soon as you lift the lid on this one, first thing to notice is when I shake this a lot, you won't see it falling off. I mean, you won't see the lid closing that easily unless you give it some nudge or give it an angle where it actually falls off due to the pressure or gravity. Now this is the earbuds. Let's pull this stickers off so that the touch resistant area actually gets activated. Now this is how these look like. As I said, kaleidoscope like design. This actually looks unique. This looks unique at least in the hands, but also when you wear them, this obviously would be something that easily attracts anyone. And you have a microphone and then the earpiece, let's ear tips, and then let's pull these stickers off because these are the ones that would start charging whenever you place them inside the case. Now inside the case what you get is those pogo pins or the pins for charging the ear tips or the earbuds. So this is the case, and inside that there's nothing but the place for replacing these earbuds. Let's place them back, and to pair, as I said, as the booklet also mentioned, you need to place them inside this and then tap on these areas for more than 3 seconds, and then they would start pairing. So as soon as you first close them, let's see if it is actually charging or if there's any charge inside this. Let's lift this up and now start pressing them for 3 seconds. I mean, it's not a press button. First of all, guys, this is a touch sensitive button area, so you don't see any pressing of the buttons. These are touch areas, so that's a good thing, because again, in budget range, as we have always seen Realme to do that, you would see them offering touch panels on these earbuds. Now let me try to add a new audio. Yeah, there's already this one detected, so that's a pairing request on the Realme Buds Q2 Neo. So these are connected. This was the first time and it was as easy as it would be for the connectivity, and you would see the battery percentage firstly on the top. That's where you see that both of them have 100% charging. Then you have the base boost plus mode and dynamic mode and bright mode. So the difference here is that with the base boost plus, what you see is the obviously the bass to be a bit higher. Then dynamic is getting a balance of everything, bass, treble and everything. And in bright, if there's any podcast or those kind of things that you want to listen to, and that's where the human voice is more of a priority, then you would have to go to the bright option. Now let me lift these off and yes, try to connect them again. Yes, as soon as you take them out, obviously they would then be connected very easily. So that's how they are connected now. And this is the game mode, which actually would reduce the latency to about 88 milliseconds. This would be good for gaming, as said earlier. And for the buttons, you have double tap, triple tap, touch and hold. These are the things that you can actually customize. So on each of the earbuds, you can actually set them up to function as you want them to. So you have the indicator for right and left. This is the right one as shown on the back of the earbud. And you have double tap, triple tap and touch and hold. So you can have any function over there. Touch and hold can actually go to previous tag or also enable voice assistant. Now on the other one, you have the same. On the left one, you can set something for the same. And for the touch and hold for both the earbuds together, you can have the game mode or game mode to be turned on or turned off. Or you can actually, yes, you can actually turn off the earbuds themselves when you touch and hold both of them together. So that's another good feature, but I would rather have it on game mode in case I am someone who's into playing some FPS games, and that phone itself, for example the Realme X3 in this case, it doesn't have a headphone jack. So obviously I'll have to rely on either having a USB type C to 3.5mm adapter, or go with these kind of earbuds that have a low latency and that help in gaming in not having a lot of delay for the audio transfer. So these are the major features. I mean, it's very easy to use these. Obviously the Realme Link app is always easy to use, and there's not a lot of things to fiddle around with and play around with. Game mode and button settings and the sound effects, these are the things. You get the battery indicator over here. Now if you go into the Bluetooth settings, you might be able to see, yes, you have the option for HD audio, that is double AC codec, which is enabled here. So I was surprised with this. I did not expect a double AC here. I thought it would be coming with only the SBC codec, but you have double AC support over here. You have phone calls, media audio and contact sharing, which you can enable or disable based on your liking. I mean, whichever you want to share there. And with earbuds, obviously it's all okay. Contact sharing is not going to work with something that does not have a display there. And so that's it, guys. So this was all about the Realme Buds Q2 Neo, a quick unboxing and a hands-on with this one. If you want a full review, do comment below and I'll try to do the full review, because we are yet to test these out. These came in a bit late after the launch, but obviously this is a quick overview of the same. So as I said, design wise, early thoughts, these look quite unique and different. With different angles you would see different I mean shapes. That's what kaleidoscopes do. And this unique design actually looks attractive enough, and these are pretty light. I mean, with the entire case being 39 grams, if you place these inside the case, 39 grams in total is the weight, and each earbud is around 4.1 gram in the weight. So total of 39. Without the earbuds inside the case, you would see a total weight of 31 grams, which is going to be pretty light in your pocket. So that's a good thing. With the battery, the case has 400 mAh battery, and each of the earbud is going to have a 40 mAh battery. And these earbuds have IPX4 rating that would help in splash resistance in case you want to go out for a jog and it's raining. So that's where these would be pretty protected. But remember, it's only for the earbuds and not for the case. Case is not going to be IPX4 rated, or these are not going to be protected against any kind of water ingress. It's only these earbuds that are going to be protected. So that's it, guys. This was all about the Realme Buds Q2 Neo. Pretty light and pretty good in looks, at least in terms of looks. We'll talk about the audio quality, we'll talk about everything else in the full review in case you guys are interested. So let us know in the comments below for the same. And I hope you like this video. If you do, share and subscribe to Gizmo Times for more. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.